The MyEye Pro has a wider array of powerful features that further increase your independence throughout your daily lives. To get a description of what's in front of you, make sure that your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network and paired with your OrCam app via Bluetooth. Say, "Hey OrCam, what's in front of me?" The device will give a detailed description of the scene in front of you.
A laptop, a book, and a cup.
If you want to know more, you can ask follow-up questions about the scene in front of you. Say, "Question, where is the cup?"
The cup is to your right.
You can continue asking more questions or say exit to end the session. You can also use face recognition to capture people's faces and save them on your device, so it will identify them in future encounters. To learn a new face, say, "Hey OrCam, start the face learning." The MyEye will take a few pictures of the person in front of you, and then it will chime and ask you to say the person's name after the beep.
Say the person's name after the beep.
Say the person's name. Johnny. MyEye will repeat the name.
Johnny.
Touch the touch bar to confirm the name.
Person learned.
OrCam MyEye identifies money notes. Hold a money note in front of the device, and it will tell you its value and currency.
$1.
The device can read barcodes and tell you the name of many products. Steadily hold the barcode at arm's length from the MyEye. OrCam MyEye will announce the product name.
Nescafe Taster's Choice.
All these can be used automatically by activating the auto detection feature on your device. To learn how to set up the auto detection, please go to our device settings tutorial. For any questions, feel free to contact our customer support, who are eager to help.